Hey everybody, how are you all? Welcome to my YouTube channel. So I've been planning on starting my own YouTube channel for a very long time now, but I just couldn't find the right motivation or the right time to do it. But yeah, here I am. I just thought that I should start my own YouTube now because it's already getting so late. I mean, I've been delaying it for ages now and I just wanted to start it, so here we are. So a little idea about what I'm gonna do on this channel. So I've been planning on making videos related to fashion, beauty, vlogs, and even challenges with my friends. So I am like having all of it in mind. Let's just see how it turns out, and I just hope that you all support me. So I just wanted to make you all a part of my journey, a part of my YouTube journey, and make it amazing. So yeah, so this video is going to be a monthly favorites video where I'm going to be showing you the products that I've been loving for a long time now, or even for a few months or few days. A little disclaimer before we start: all that I'm going to be saying in this video is my personal opinion and what I feel about a product, and not that somebody has paid me to do it, which obviously means that this video is not at all sponsored. I really wish it was, but it isn't. So yeah, I've purchased all the products by myself and I am going to be giving you an honest opinion on that. This consists of way different products, like 1 or 2 skincare products, 1 or 2 body lotions, perfumes, even a book, and it's bits of everything. So without wasting any further time, let's just get into the video. So the first product that I want to show you all is this Bath & Body Works hand sanitizer. It's a 1000 Wishes antibacterial hand gel. I've been loving this because of how it feels on my hand. It does not dry out my skin, or it does not dry out my hands. Also, it has a really amazing smell. Like, I just love how it smells. I just don't know why, I just love it. It has this strawberry kind of a smell, of fruity, a sweet fruity kind of a smell, and I really like it. So it also has glitter inside it, like inside the gel, which I feel is amazing. I mean, I like it, so yeah, it works well for me. So the next thing that I'm going to show you is this lip sleeping mask by Laneige. A lot of you might have heard about it because this is an amazing product. This is a little expensive as to a lip sleeping mask, but I think it works well. It works wonders actually, and I would vouch for it. I really had these dry lips, but then when I used this, it is not only moisturizes my lips but also makes them very soft and very nice. So if you are new and if you haven't tried any of these products, you can buy the mini version of it. It is not that expensive. Like, the bigger version is of 1500, I suppose, but the mini version is pretty reasonable, so I think you can go for it. So the next thing that I have is like a really cool product. Like, I feel like it's a really cool product. I don't know about others. This is a mist sprayer. Like, see how amazing this is? Look, I mean, look at that. Doesn't it look so amazing? Yes, it is amazing and I love it, and I just use it before I put on my makeup to like spray on my face, and it is very cute. So you don't have to put batteries, you can charge it, and yes, then you're good to go. You can like pour in water here and then you can click on this button, and yes, you can also put in sanitizer and then sanitize your keys or your phone or anything that you want to sanitize. I just bought it because I liked it and I just wanted to use it, and it's summertime, so you can like use it whenever. You can use it before you apply your makeup, which really like hydrates your skin. So I think this product is a very cute one. It is very affordable also, so you can buy it. I'm gonna link every product in the description box below so that you can check them out and then see for yourself if you want to buy them or not. The next product that I'm going to be talking about is this bag from Forever 21. I really cannot wait to take it outside. I haven't really gone out taking this bag because when I bought this a few days later, lockdown happened and then all the dine-in restaurants closed, so I couldn't just go anywhere. But I will use it whenever the time is right. So this is a plain white bag. It has one pocket and then one zip inside, like to keep your cash and something. It also has this thing, the sling thing, that you can also use it as a sling bag and also like a normal purse handbag. It really looks very chic, so I had to purchase it. So the next thing that I have is this Victoria's Secret's Midnight Fleur. It's a fragrance lotion. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but yeah, like I'm gonna link the product down below so you're gonna know. This is the best purchase. I mean, it is such a great body lotion. It is not at all oily, not at all sticky. It is very lightweight. The smell of it, it is to die for. Like, the smell is so nice. The fragrance, I love the fragrance of this lotion. I would really suggest that if you are looking for buying a lotion which smells nice and is also lightweight and not really that like too much on your skin, I think you should go for it. It is the best one so far. I think it also has different variants. You can try it for yourself, but this one was the best one. So the next thing is again from Victoria's Secret. Victoria's Secret fragrance mist. The fragrance of this mist is really amazing. It is not just sweetie smell. It is more of a refreshing, very like a different smell. If you are not like a sweet smell kind of a person, I think this is gonna suit you. And if you like sweet smells, the pink one would suit you better. The next product that I have is this Bath & Body Works Super Rich Moisturizing Body Wash. It consists of shea butter and coconut oil. It leaves your skin so smooth, so moisturized, so hydrating, and obviously the smell is amazing. I know I keep talking about the product smell because that is also one thing that attracts me to a product, because how it smells really matters, like, to me. So yeah, it is in the variant Pretty as a Peach. So my skin kind of tends to dry after a period of time, but people who have oily skin, I think it's gonna work for you really well. So the next thing that I have is again a perfume. It's the Issey Miyake's men's perfume. The fragrance is like wow, I can literally wear it every day. So this perfume stays on forever and you can smell it on you. Like, usually you cannot smell the perfumes you put on you, but this you can smell like throughout the day and even the next day, because it does not go away. Like, the smell is so amazing and it is so refreshing and bold. It has more of a royal fragrance to it. I also have the women's perfume here. It's the Issey Miyake's perfume for women, and I really feel that this one is better than this one. It smells like white lilies. Like, it has a flowery smell to it, and this has a really bold smell to it, and I am obsessed with this perfume. Like, both of them like stay on forever and both of them are really equally good, but if you're more of a flowery kind of a person, you can go for this one. This is also a recommendation for boys who are watching this. It is slightly expensive, but then if you are willing to invest in a good perfume, I think you should go for it. This brand has the best perfumes ever, I feel. Also, do let me know if you want to see more of my perfume collection, because I have a lot of perfumes and I'm obsessed with like all of them. Not all of them, but a few of them are my favorites. This is one of those few, and if you want to see like the whole collection of it, do let me know so that I can make a video about it. I'm gonna be posting it on YouTube or maybe Instagram or wherever you want to see it. But yeah, I'm really a sucker for fragrances. If you have already seen enough, like, I literally buy products for their smell. So yeah, I mean, you can say that I'm a little stupid for doing it, but yeah, like, fragrance matters a lot to me, a lot. So the next product that I'm going to be talking about is this Nivea's Body Mist. It is the best product for people who have dry skin. It is also affordable. It consists of almond oil, which is really good for your skin. It keeps your skin moisturized and hydrated. It also leaves your skin a very smooth texture. So I think that you should try it out if you want to go for like an affordable body lotion. So this is the best thing that you should go for. Also, this is not gender specific, so I think boys and girls both can use it. I think you are going to love it if you have dry skin. So the next recommendation is for the book lovers. It's kind of book recommendation also, and it is kind of my favorite book. So yeah, it is The Secret. I am sure you might have heard of it at least once in a lifetime, because it is the most talked about book and it is literally a life-changing book. I mean, I read this book 3-4 years back, and I read it again like abhi in lockdown, and I must say, like, every time you read it, there's a different thing you come to know about this. Like, it's kind of a different learning that you take away from the book every time you read it. So I really feel like everybody should read it at least once. If you believe in like the power of manifesting and the power of universe and something like that, I think that this book is gonna be the Bible for you, like a literal Bible for you. And even if you aren't a reader and if you want to start reading something, I think The Secret is the best book. I think everybody would recommend reading this at least once. So yeah, even if you feel bored while reading it, at least complete it. You are going to take away at least something, some learning from this book, because this book is like hands down the best book ever. So yeah, I just cannot stop talking about it. Those who have read it already know that how great this book is, and those who haven't read it, I would suggest read it. I think it's available on Kindle as well, so go check that out as well. So this brings us to the end of the video. I hope you liked it and I hope you enjoyed. Even if you like one thing about this video, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Leave a comment down below as to what you want me to make next, and I'm gonna obviously listen to the suggestions that you're gonna give me because it matters a lot to me. Also, even if you didn't like the video and you like me, you can give it a thumbs up, like obviously. Just kidding, but yeah, do give it a thumbs up because kya hi jata hai. Until my next video, stay home, stay safe, and please do not step out. The situation is really bad outside, and to not make it worse, let's just stay inside our homes. It's not gonna be that difficult. It is something that is not only affecting you and your family but the entire world. Also, you all are amazing and you all are my family, so thank you so much for clicking also.